What's going on, everybody? It's Philip Staples and welcome back to my channel. And I have something for you to see. It's the Ivanky 20-in-1 port for Mac. So let's open this box and see what this has to offer, shall we? All right, so this box is pretty heavy. It has a lot of things, but let me stop talking about it and let's get to opening this box. Let's go. All right, here we go. So we are opening the box right now. See, it's really heavy. This plastic out the way. Get this out the way. Now we have the stuff. We have the things that's on the back, the ports, the different ports. So let's open this box. I'm talking too much. The big reveal, the big reveal. Oh, look at that. Box on the floor. Got that right there. Other cam, we got this right here. All right. Oh, it's kind of light. The box is heavy. There's probably some stuff in there. So we have the Ivanky, if I'm pronouncing it right. Pretty sure somebody will correct me in the comments. Docking station instructions. Some pamphlet. Cords. I guess this is like a power block. The cords. Detail guide. Now let's get to the nitty gritty. Jesus. Make it real difficult, don't they? So this is the front side of the device. So you have USB port, another USB port, some more. I think this is for the monitors, memory cards, headphone jack. Then on the back side, flip this puppy over, you have more USB ports. So you will never run out of USB ports. You got HDMI, you got the port for the computer, for the power, the Kensington lock, and a whole bunch of other ports, as you can see. Another port on here has a 2.5 gigabyte Ethernet port. So you want to hardwire it. Here you go. What else we got here? We got the audio. If you want to set up some serious audio, wait for that. Serious audio right here. The design. There's vents under here, so it's some type of cooling, so it won't burn up. Because this thing is pushing some pretty hefty power. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, we got a power brick. So we have the power brick. So this thing must be producing some heavy power for something this big or that small. But if you're using a small setup like me, it's probably worth that you have this power brick. All right, we got one more box to open. It's like Christmas. Well, it is Christmas time. Day after Christmas. More plugs. Oh, you get a Another HDMI cable. It's 8K. Oh, fancy. I don't have 8K monitor, but for you that do, this will come in handy. Plug, standard American plug. Let's see what's in the bag. Now, boom. So for your computer, for your MacBook computers. By the way, just to let you know, tell you right now, you've been warned. This only works for most recent model MacBook. So if it's an Intel processor, it will not work. And I've heard or been told or researched, Intel does not have these plugs. So keep that in mind. You've been warned multiple times, and also I will show you that it does not work. Probably wondering how many Macs can be connected to this device. Well, on the website, and I'll pull it up on the screen, you can have up to 6 devices, 6 screens. So if you currently have a MacBook Pro 2020 model like I myself, you can still use this, but you are, I guess the word is future-proofing yourself. So if you get a better MacBook with the better processors like the M2 or M3 Pros, this will be a perfect item for you. So this is my open box. I'm going to hook this thing up later because I have to unhook everything. I'm not going to review it, but that's my ring. So you can hear what it's made out of. So again, that's my ring. You can hear it's made out of metal, some type of alloy. I don't know with these things, but this is it. If you like what you see in the video, please give me a comment, like, and subscribe at the bottom, and we can talk about this device, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.